If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. There is no need to back up your data in QuickBooks Online Plus to guard against data failure. Anytime you change your company data, QuickBooks Online automatically writes the changes to mirrored disks. That means your data is simultaneously written to two hard drives. If one disk drive fails, you will never notice, as there is already an exact copy. Periodically, QuickBooks Online copies all the data in the mirrored drives to a third hard drive. This guards against problems that may occur with your first two disk drives. However, because QuickBooks Online saves every change to your data, you cannot restore your QuickBooks Online data to a previous point in time. If you are interested in creating backups of company file data to keep for specific dates and times, and/or the ability to store them off-site, note that the QuickBooks Online Advanced subscription level does provide the ability to create backups of company data. This subscription lets you create backups of the company file data as of specified dates. You can create either manual or automatic backups and even save them to external storage apps like Dropbox or Google Drive, for example. You can create both incremental and complete backups and also restore a company file from a backup. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.